In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the CSIpix image enhancement function called Color Sliders. Color Sliders is used to selectively remove background colors. Usually you want dark ridges on a neutral background for fingerprint analysis. To maximize the contrast of a fingerprint, just window the print before using this function. Almost every pixel in an image will have one of these colors. This is the color wheel. For all the pixels that are classified as red in an image, you make them brighter by sliding this slider to the right, and you make them darker by sliding it to the left. It's the same thing for the magenta and the blue and so on. For pixels that are grayscale, so that means the red, green, and blue components are almost all the same, you can adjust their brightness with this bottom slider. I've opened the same image on both sides so you can see the before and after as I work. To open up the enhancement functions, you click Enhance on the menu bar and click the Color Sliders button here. So that opens this interface where you can see the different sliders. First I'll work on this blue part up here. What I need to do is lighten up the blue background pixels. The fingerprint is gray or grayish. So there's two blue sliders here. You got the blue and the cyan. I'll just slide them slowly over to the right and see what effect it has on the image. Now I want to work on brightening up the red part. I take this slider and move it to the right. So that's done a pretty good job. Now I can try to work on the white background here and just see what happens. I brighten the white pixels. If I want to quickly look at what it looks like with the contrast stretch, I can click that. It does a little bit of contrast stretching, so I think I'll use it. If I'm working on the image and I don't have a copy of it open on the other side, if you want to go back to the original to remind yourself of the colors you're trying to remove, you just click Show Original, click Convert to Gray to go back, and when you're ready you just click Apply. I'll open up another example where I've got some pen marks. Pen color that I want to keep is in the writing back here. It's magenta. So click Color Sliders. And I'm going to start with the yellow. Just slide that up. And I'll take the green and slide that up. Now I'm going to go down and move the gray. So I'll move all these up a little bit higher. Now I'll take the red slider and move that up. Now I'm mostly left with the CSIpix, which is the magenta, and I can actually darken that one by moving this down towards the left. And that brings up the red pen a little bit more, so I'll actually brighten that even further. So I'm left with just the CSIpix. There's some little notches taken out where the other pens crossed, so the colors weren't actually magenta there. And one final example. this one. I'm going to want to get rid of green and yellow, and there's actually some blue. So the main one to get rid of is yellow. And the green. A little bit of blue. I'll try the cyan. Didn't make much difference. See what happens when I adjust the gray. A little bit saturated. Okay, so that's good enough. Try the contrast stretch. That helped a little. And just click apply so you can see before and after. Thank you for watching. If you have any comments or suggestions, don't hesitate to contact us.